Hello guys, my name is John Kishinan Kasunaba and now we're here at the sea and you see I'm with my cousin Ara and the camera is blurred because we put water resistant plastic. I don't know what it is called. Sobrang enjoying dito guys if you want to go here and try it, and sobrang relaxing niya. If you have many problems, you can go here to ease the pain and anything struggles you are facing. Hello ka!
Hi.
Guys, you will see the ano dito, mga fishes sa baba. Pero hindi pala sila dito talaga.
Fishes and pig.
She was the pig among us. Oh, I'm not. Oh my. I'm afraid that my mom's phone is getting doomed. Hindi guys makikita nyo dyan.
Tara, doon pa tayo mas malalim.
Let's go to the deep part of this sea. Ara, don't push me, baka tayo matumba. Ara, request sakit. Guys, madami siyang bato dito sa pinakamalalim. Pero low tide kasi siya ngayon, kaya kami nasa tayo dito. Kasawang guys.
Hindi pa to sawa.
Hindi pa pala tatawag.
Hindi pang sawa.
Hoy, Ara. Hoy, mukhang madaglag ka.
Tara, doon tayo. Yun.
Hoy! Huwag ka makamapit, baka mataba ako. So guys, maraming guys doon sa likod namin and they are enjoying the view and the sea. They're swimming. Oh, hindi ko na alam kung suot ko sando or ano, nakakahilam dyan. So,
Wait lang, lulutang lang ako.
hoy Ara,
Maglakad ka kasi.
nakikita ba siya sa ilalim pag nilubog ko to? Baka malaglag din kasi ng
Ay,
tubig.
tatry ko. Yung ilalim na ilalim.
Hoy, wag na, baka
Hindi nga.
Try ko nga ako na.
Ako nga, ilalim lang.
Ako na.
Oh.
Galang, blurred.
Yeah, so don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out. Live a life, we gotta scream it out. We gotta breathe it in and feel the rush again. No, not lost, no matter where you've been. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how
I don't like reels. Mas gusto ko YouTube. Kasi kahit walang manood sa'yo, okay lang. Basta memories. Ano masuot mo? Ba't ganyan?
Dapat may nakatan doon na lang. Ako.
Pag-videohan mo din ako ganyan. Pag-videohan mo din ako na nakaganyan dyan. Parang ang ganda ng view. Dito nga ito. Sasaran mo kaya ako? Okay ba yan?
Oo.
Basahin ko. Ay ko?
Wait, dito.
Wait.
Ako din, picturean mo.
Ay ano? Ano isa pa?
Ako naman, tingnan mo ako banda. Wait lang, maganda ako.
Picturean daw eh, video to.
Pinicturean ko din, pindutin mo din sa picture.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay na. Guys, look at
Picture mo
the
din.
sunset. Sunset ba yan? Yan, tas-
Without you, don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go.
So yun guys, we're now I enjoy the view. I'm enjoying the view guys, and sobrang ganda dito talaga sa dagat. Yung pag ako, I'm personally, I will admit, personally I'm so stressed sa aking mga apads, and also my friends and toxic people around me, school, sa bahay, gano'n. So, dito ko lang siya naaalis. Parang temporary. Mas okay temporary ba? Kahit pa paano nawawala yung mga problems na kinakaharap. Yun. So, punta na kayo kung kayo stress, punta na kayo dito.
Yeah, so don't you let the sunlight go by without you.